everyone, welcome back. So yeah, I just want to update you guys. So now we are approaching the no, actually we are in Murai right now. Here, this island is the island with a mountain. You can see there's no many houses, buildings, villa, especially villa, and the villas here are expensive. Millionaires, billionaires, friends, people who live here, and it's so beautiful. And also, the best thing is that we're gonna spend our night here actually. So we're gonna do anchoring, stay for a little bit, spend our night, and we're gonna do a lot of things and activities. So keep on watching, guys, and see you later on. I'm so excited, super excited. And I hope you two guys are excited because me, I am super excited because we're gonna do more water activity like see ya. Hasta luego. Our first stop will be the Casa and Cayo. So I'm gonna put here. Okay. So this is the name of the place where we're gonna stay for the night, and if it's gonna be really nice or good, we're gonna stay for more days. So there'll be 2 days or 3 days, so it depends. And we're not gonna go to the marina because there's no marina here. Instead, we're gonna do encore. So we're just gonna do encore back, and we're gonna stay and sleep on the bed. So I'll see ya. Hi everyone! Welcome back! So I just want to show you guys super amazing na mga bahay on the top of the mountain of Muraira. And you will see, and Stefan mentioned that commonly people lives here, the people who lives here are millionaires or billionaires. But of course, yes, I do agree because look at that. The view is so beautiful. I mean, you have the ocean view and the mountains, and look at them. I will show you guys. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, guys. That mountain, if you can see that mountain, guys, and if you can see the white thingy there and there, look at that. Those are houses. OMG. Can you imagine that? Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back. So now this is the place where we're gonna spend our night. We're gonna sleep here, just imagine, on a boat. And yes, this is our ambience, our place. Look at that. And this boat. And here also. So exactly here where we're gonna spend our night, and look at that, how nice it is. It's so private. The reason why we chose this place is because it's so private. You cannot reach this place. You cannot reach this place without. So yeah, let's go and see then what can we enjoy here. So this is the area, that one. If you can see that, guys, this one. There's many caves. We're gonna try to explore that also, and also there's also another area which is the beach area. We're gonna try to visit that with our dinghy. And yeah, look at that. It's so nice. I think it's gonna be really nice for this snorkeling, and hopefully. And yeah, let's go then. Here. Back, and look at that. We are in what's the name of it? Granadella. Granadella. And it's so fluid. So yeah, as you can see, it's nice here. We're gonna do diving here. That's definitely. And look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. So this is where we're gonna spend our night. We're gonna do anchoring here. And look at this beautiful mountain in front of us. Look at that! Look at this. The ocean color with the bluish. Green. Ta-da! Hi mga bakla, welcome back. Look at that. The water is so nice. It's healthy too. Drink it so cute. And enjoy it. Yeah. And yeah. And our neighbor. Say hello with it. hold it out, but this is a bubble. Deep enough, actually. Now we're entering. Let's go. Oh, I'm here. Look at that. Okay, guys, we're gonna look at that, guys. So pretty. This is the entrance, so it's really private. But all the whole time, it's so long. Hi everyone! I don't know if you can see me guys, but yeah, this is me now in the middle of the Caribbean. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like here. And we're on the boat. We're gonna spend our night here by anchoring. Oh, and it's kinda wavy now guys. It's not wavy compare. And yeah, I hope you can see me guys, okay? So I just want to show you guys the look tonight. Okay, and I hope you can see me. Oh, I'm gonna get fall because Stefan cannot see. He's missing. Look at that. This is our view. And that's our ocean. So I have to go back and swim. I don't like this. I get so bored every time. It's really it's cold. Now you know guys. This is the reality of setting. You know? Okay, guys, I'm back and we're here outside and that's the bad so yeah. So this is our second night actually. So the first night was in Altaya. But this time we are doing anchoring. Yeah. And my Batman is here. So, yeah. See you tomorrow guys. Bye. Hi everyone. So it's really dark outside, and yeah, this is our first night, our second night for the 7 days of sailing, and yeah, we're in the middle of the ocean in Granadella, and yeah, we are doing anchoring. So means we are not gonna sleep in marina. So we just put the anchor down, and yeah, and that's it. This is the look tonight, and we're about to sleep now. Sadly, luckily we have batteries, of course. We have inverter, so we have the slides. Even we are not in marina, we can still have also our Wi-Fi here. We have Wi-Fi, so that's how I can do my social media and upload even we are in the middle of the ocean because we have Wi-Fi. And that's big thanks for the inverter. And that's it. See you tomorrow. Okay. Good night, everyone.